how to score free kicks on eFootball 25 mobile. Now the way that you can score free kicks is by first practicing them in the training section. So I'll go to Dream Team, I'll go to free training, and I'll just practice free kick right here. Now there are many sort of free kicks. You can use the dipping shot, you can use knuckle shot, but the one I always stick to is the curve shot. So let's say I'm towards little bit of the left hand side of the post, right, and I got a free kick and I want a free kick around that area right here. So I tap on confirm. Now for this case, normally what I do is if it's towards the left, I just use a left leg player like Lionel Messi. If it's towards the right, I simply use right legged player like Neymar. So Neymar and Messi, both of them has a good free kick rate. So in this case, let's say I select Lionel Messi right here, right now here, this you can see this is the angle of the shot. You can see you always want to target the top right corner of it. Now this might not always work, but depending upon how accurate Lionel Messi is, since he's got 91 accuracy, you want to do it as near as possible to him without also touching these little players right here. So you want to do it like this. Now it might not go as well, but you can see most of the times it will just go it from the head. So let me just try this one again. I'll just try a little bit towards the farther side right here, and I will simply select the kicker again, and I'll choose Lionel Messi again, and then I'll simply swipe little bit towards just so I can adjust the angle, and right from here I will simply do it like this, and you can see it's near the top post, and it might work, it might not work, but the curve shot is usually just the best one. You can also try to use knuckle shot with Roberto Carlos or Cristiano Ronaldo if you have them, but I usually normally just stick to the curved one because it has a 90% success rate, at least for me. Otherwise you can also try with other players by simply targeting them towards the top right hand side, just like that. So thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this.